Planet Bollywood.
They've really worked hard to be where they are, and of course they look awesome too. We'll find out how they look awesome. You know, they work out together sometimes, and you say, are you a real hard taskmaster? When it has to be like you have like a month, they have to lose like 20 kg, like 15, no, 20 kg, I'm sure. 15 or 10 kg.
No, the point is they come to me with a target, right?
Right.
And they come to me and they say, this is what we need to look like for this movie.
Sure.
And they step back and you've got to do it. And like Katrina tells me sometimes that even if one thing doesn't fit the way I want it to, I don't look at, yes, you've had it. And she writes these things down in my gym and makes me sign it, and she signs it. And yeah, she motivates me that way for me to be able to motivate her eventually. So the point is they come to me because they want to achieve something, and then it's up to me to make them achieve it whichever way I see fit.
I remember we had done some food feature long back with Alia where she didn't eat anything, obviously, because she was on a healthy diet, remember? And she was smelling the food. Is that your trick when you really want to eat something? Does it work and you don't want to really eat it? Does that work?
Like you want to smelling the food?
Yeah, just am I right?
She's an actress, don't you know that?
No. She was really.
That's Ali.
I'm not going to eat it. She kept
No, sometimes it helps.
It helps.
Don't
right?
you feel?
What do you feel?
No, if I smell the food, then I'm definitely gonna eat it. Then I'm like, no.
According to you, which is one role that you thought was like you really worked hard for and you thought you looked best in? For both of you. So one role you thought you really looked great when it came to like looking on screen and fit and everything, and you really worked hard for?
Really worked hard for. First was probably in Tisma Khan Sheila Ki Jawani.
Yeah.
And then really worked hard for next was in Dhoom 3. Because I didn't just want to be thin, we wanted to be really muscular, and I wanted to look like a gymnast.
Yeah.
Alia's question I'll also answer. I think she's looked best in Shandar, in her bikini shot.
What did you
sure.
think of that?
Sorry?
What did you think of the whole bikini avatar of Alia?
I was very shocked because I see Alia in the gym a lot, and I was very surprised at when did she achieve that, because I saw her in the corner gently training, calmly training, quietly training, unlike me who makes a lot of noise. And then I thought, oh, okay, so people are also quietly achieving their results. But now we've started training sometimes together when our timings match or whatever. And I think that what you were saying also, you have to have concentration. Because in the middle we'll start talking, and your form goes all wrong, and you're doing the exercise like, weird. So you have to concentrate.
Say something that Katrina is almost like an example for all of us, because she's achieved different kinds of bodies with each song. And not many people know this, but I have like her Kamli video on my phone. I had it because it's such an inspiration. So I personally don't feel like I've reached anywhere in that sense. I tried a lot for Shandar, but my best shaped body is yet to come because I'm a newbie, as I would say so.
Thank you so much, ladies. And after you heard that, I think you'd like to go and try sculpting and shaping yourself.
One second.
Yeah.
Dada, camera, Dada, come to the side.
Okay, sorry.
We just want
sorry.
Sculpting, shaping.
Sorry.
There you are, sculpting and shaping, as they pointed out, two of them. Thank you so much, three of you.
Thank you.
That was wonderful talking. Rudran Chatraj with camera person Amol, Zoom Mumbai.